to the Rock and Roll Sisters! Today we are going to be making slime, and this is our first video. Yay! So let's get on with the video. So the first step you need to do is pour in your glue. Elmer's glue, but yeah, that's the only glue you technically use for slime.
We're making fluffy slime today.
Yes. You can add as much as you want, but it only has to fit in this container. So the first step is adding in your glue. Doesn't matter how much you add, just add as much as you want, but it has to fit in your container. Just put the lid on it. The next step is to add your shaving cream.
Make sure you shake it first. Okay.
This is the shaving cream. It doesn't have to be expensive. So
You can go first.
Okay. Ooh, it's a little liquidy. So what you do is you just add around it,
You don't want to add too much.
or else it might ruin the slime a little bit.
I'll make it really fun.
Oh, wait, let me shake it.
That's
And then we could mix it in. Just mix it in.
You want to make sure all the shaving cream is mixed in there.
And then the next step is, when you're done mixing, you add some food coloring. Oh, I think you know it.
Here, I think there's two. Or just open it on the side.
Open already.
We use gel for dye, but you can use different kind of food dye.
So we have 4 different colors. We have blue, green, red, and yellow. I'm going to be using
I'm using
yellow.
To make teal slime.
Ooh, I want to make orange slime. So you don't add as much. You can add much, but you need to add more of the yellow than the red to make orange slime.
To make teal slime, you just add more green to red.
And then you, okay, I'll help you with that in just a minute. And then you can add a little bit of red. And then here, I'll open the screen for you. This is not coming out.
Here.
So then you mix it.
Oh, got it. I put dewdrops in each so I can have a light color of the slime.
This is how it gets the good orangey color, like a peachy color. But if you don't want a peachy color, you can go darker with
Just
some more
teal.
red.
You want to get all the white mixed into your color so it'll be really good.
So then when you're done mixing, you can set these other stuff to the side. You can pick your color. We have all sorts of colors. We have gel and we have actual glitter, so that's good. I'm going to be using this gold color because it'll work with my orange slime.
I would be going with this gel, and it's like confetti,
You can add as much glitter as you want,
but you just don't want to get it on
too much because it might come out of your slimes.
That is so pretty.
It's a good, pretty color. I think I'm going to add a little bit more. You're going to add the gel glitter?
Yep.
I'm crazy with glitter.
Mostly you don't like glitter that much.
Yeah, but in slime it works good. So we're going to add all of this.
I'm actually going to try some of this glitter because I mean that one's not working.
Okay, so when you're done with that, I'll move on. Is that okay if I move on?
No, wait.
Okay.
You have to wait, woman.
So she's mixing it. Just keep mixing it. Make sure you get all the way at the bottom.
Okay.
So it doesn't get red or yellow on it because that'd be really bad. Okay, so the next step is to add your borax. Don't add too much borax or else...
Or go over at the meat.
Yes.
Two, like, you want to do one
Like two, yeah. So let's start containing...
I'm going to actually add one now.
See, it'll start coming together as slime.
Off the sides. That's when you're ready to put.
Ooh. Okay, so I'm gonna add a little more. There we go. keep mixing until it does. There we go. It's starting to come off the edges really good. So here is starting to be my slime.
So, but if it's super sticky, you still want to add activator.
Yes.
Mine's not coming out the side that good.
Let's see if it's good. So I'll just start taking this off this. I'll just start playing with it and kneading it.
I'm cutting it off.
This is what it's starting to look like. You'll see some of the glitter.
I'm rolling up your sleeves.
Thank you. Thank you so
There we go.
much. Okay, so
Ooh, my
you'll start, when
slime.
your slime is good, you'll start feeling the fluffiness and the stretchiness.
Mine's about to be done. It just needs like more mixing. So like mine's still sticky a little bit. I think I only need like 2 more of them. Really good.
So my slime is good, and you guys want to see how funky it is? Thank you for watching this video. Hope you like this video. Subscribe, like this video, turn on all notifications, and bye!